Sa inyong lahat, ang pag-aaralan nga natin ngayon ay adjective. So, ang adjective daw ay naglalarawan daw sa noun at pronoun. So, may 3 types daw tayo ng adjective. Number 1 is positive degree of adjective. So, ang positive degree daw ay nagsisignifies daw siya ng only one, isa lang, bawal dalawa, bawal tatlo, isa lang. It talks about only one thing. Isa lang yung pinag-uusapan. So, example are apples are sweetest. Apple are sweets. Next natin ay comparative degree. So, ang comparative degree daw ay signifies quality in greater or less degree. Two things are being compared. Example, dalawang bagay daw ang pinagko-compare niya. Examples, candies are sweeter than apple. It typically ends in es or use a word more before the adjective when comparing two things. Next ay example nun ay more beautiful, more generous, more competitive, more powerful, more delightful, more innocent, more quiet. Yun yung mga example nun. So, next naman natin ay superlative degree. Yun yung superlative ay signifies in a greatest or least degree. Wala nang hihigit sa kanya. 3 or more items are being compared. So, wala nang higit sa kanya, siya na yung pinaka. Example daw ay, ice cream is the sweetest among the 3. Ayun. Ang ice cream daw ay mas matamis o sweetest, sweetest among the 3. Okay, gets nyo? Okay, so bakit daw, tanong nila, bakit daw among the 3? 3, tatlo, dalawa lang naman daw yun. So, ang kino-compared kasi ay tatlo. Kaya 3. Kasi, ice cream. O, tingnan nyo. Ice cream. Tapos, apple, tas candies. Ayun yung tatlong pinagko-compared. Okay, guys. So, kung naintindihan nyo, please. So, have you learned a lesson for today? Thank you very much for listening to our lesson. And again, our lesson for today is adjective. Goodbye, kids.